So, good morning, all of you TYBSc physics student. We want to see here our subject is the solid state physics, and we want to continue the third chapter free electron and band theory of metals. In this lecture, we want to see new points, that is density of state in one dimension. So, in last lecture, we have to consider as according to quantum theory, so that potential box which is having the boundary condition that length which is given by, so that x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. So this is the according to the boundary condition that total length which is given by L, and this barrier which is go in the infinity range, and potential inside the box which is considered as 0. And according to the Schrodinger's equation applying the different boundary condition, we have get the relation here that En is equal to n square pi square h cross square divided by twice ml square. So for example, this is equation number star. Okay, so according to this that potential box, and according to quantum mechanics we have to get applying the Schrodinger equation. So this is the energy of the nth level of the electrons. So we have to get finding. So this is En. So we want to calculate this capital N, so sorry, small n. So we have to get rearrange this formula, so that we have to get here, so that n square which is nothing but what is here, so that twice En, so twice m L square as it is divide by this pi square h cross square, pi square h cross square, and this En which is as it is. So this is the value of n square which is here, and if we take the square root of this of both sides, so that we have to get value, so that L upon pi h is, that is the square root of L square pi square and h cross square. So that is L upon pi h cross is here. Taking square root of this twice m and this En, so which is considered as twice m En whole power 1 by 2. So this is equation number 2 for example. So that is considered as N is the number of electrons per unit volume of the such density of state. So that N is equal to L upon pi h cross twice m En power 1 by 2. And if we calculate, so that density of state, so we want to differentiating and multiplying the above equation by 1 by 2. So first of all, what differentiating the equation 2 and multiply 1 by 2. So if we taking, so that we have to get here number of quantum state of the electrons in the energy range of between E and E plus dE. So that differentiating and multiply this equation 1 by 2, so we get to conclusion. So we get number of quantum state number of quantum state of electrons in the energy range of electrons in the energy range E and E plus dE. So that energy range E and E plus dE. So if we taking differentiation of this term, so that is dN is equal to this L upon pi h cross, this value as it is. So L upon pi h cross, this twice m whole power half is at it is, so that is constant, so that twice m whole power 1 by 2, and differentiation of this En whole power 1 by 2, so that is given as 1 by 2 as taking at one side, and the derivative of this which is considered as En whole power 1 minus 1 by 2, so that 1 minus 1 by 2 which is considered as, or which is considered as, sorry, 1 by 2 minus 1, so that is 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 2, 1 minus 2, so that is minus 1 divided by 2, so that derivative which is comes as here, so that En whole power minus 1 by 2, and multiplying this 1 by 2 is here, so that is multiplying by 1 by 2, so that which is given by 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 which is considered as 1 by 4, and this is L upon pi h cross, so this is given by L upon 4 pi h cross into this twice m whole power 1 by 2, twice m whole power 1 by 2 into this e to the power 1 by 2, that is which is considered as e to the power minus 1 by 2, that is we can also write in terms of this 1 by root e, so that is we have to write here En whole power minus 1 by 2 into dE. So that if we taking differentiation with this equation, so that differentiating this equation and multiply this 1 by 2, so that relation will given here L upon 4 pi h cross into twice m whole power 1 by 2 En whole power minus 1 by 2 dE. But I have write this h cross in this bracket, so we have to consider as this h cross is completely, so that h cross square, if we doing the h cross square, then you have to write in this bracket, so that terms which is considered as dN is equal to L upon 4 pi into twice m divided by h cross square whole power 1 by 2, okay, and this En power minus 1 by 2 into dE. So this relation which is obtained, and this is considered as, for example, this equation number 3, and this is considered as the equation number 4. So now next step what is doing here, so let us denote the number of quantum state of electron between E and E plus dE by Z of E dE. So let us denote the number of quantum state. Let us denote the number of quantum state, number of quantum state of electrons between E and E plus dE is given by Z of E dE is Z of E dE. So that is considered as Z of E dE is equal to dn is equal to that relation so that z of e dE is equal to dn is equal to L upon 4 pi into twice m divided by h bar square whole power 1 by 2 into e to the power minus 1 by 2 into dE. Okay, so next step what is here, so that L upon 4 pi twice m divided by h plus square 1 by 2 and e power 1 by minus 1 by 2. So here d of e is here, this d of e is here, so that d of e and this d of e which is cancelled, so that this equation will become here, so that is L upon 4 pi into twice m divided by h bar square whole power 1 by 2 e to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 e to the power minus 1 by 2. And but if we consider here, due to electron having the opposite spin, each orbital can split up into two state, so that's why multiplying this equation 2. So due to electron having opposite spin, 2 electron having opposite spin, electron having the opposite spin, each orbital can split each orbital can split into 2. So that's why multiplying this equation by 2. So this is considered as the density of state, that z of e which is considered as is equal to twice into L upon 4 pi into twice m divided by h bar square whole power 1 by 2 e power minus 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, so that final relation will become here. So L upon twice pi twice m upon h cross square 1 by 2 e power 1 by 2. So that is considered as z of p is equal to L upon 2 pi twice m divided by h bar square whole power 1 by 2 e to the power minus 1 by 2. And this relation which gives the idea, so that density of state, so that L upon twice pi which is constant, twice m upon h cross square which is also constant, varying which it depends upon the energy which is e to the power minus 1 by 2. So that is, this equation represent the density of state in one dimension. This equation represent the density of states in one dimension. So we have to consider here, so density of state in one dimension which is directly proportional to e to the power minus 1 by 2, or that is considered as density of state which is one dimensional, which is proportional to root of e. okay. And if we consider